Let's crochet the tail of baby pig. Start 12 chain stitches. Pick up the pink yarn. Wrap the yarn once around your pinky. Drape that yarn over your index finger. Loop it once around your middle finger. Hold on to that intersection point with your thumb. Put the hook into the loop from right to left, from back to top. Yarn over. Pull the yarn through the loop. Then pull the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger until a knot is formed. 1 chain stitch. 2 chain stitches. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 chain stitch finished, and leave a long tail for sewing. Baby pig tail finished.